Hello everyone! Watermelon is in the season, so I'm gonna show you my favorite way of eating it. And that is melon tuna. Super tasty and refreshing piece of fruit. So let's not waste time and get started. And the first thing I have to do is to make my marinade. I'm gonna need soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, garlic, ginger, cayenne pepper and kombu. First I put kombu inside the water. And then I mix 3 parts of soy sauce with 1 part of rice vinegar. Then I put roughly 2 spoons of sesame oil and cayenne pepper by taste. 1 clove of garlic, and of course you can put more if you want to. And then small piece of fresh ginger. And the last thing I need to put in is the kombu. So I just chop it to smaller pieces and I'm gonna mix it in. I leave it on the side and I'm gonna chop my watermelon. I will cut nice big pieces so the watermelon looks like steak. But of course you can cut different sizes and shapes. Now I want to take out as much seeds as I can. And of course the best case would be if you buy watermelon without the seeds at all, but I'm gonna use what I have here. And let's give 1 piece to my food quality inspector and let's see if the melon is good. And by the way, this is first piece of watermelon he actually eats in his life and looks like he loves it. So the melon is prepared and now I have to marinate it. So I put some soy sauce mix on bottom of the tray. Then I put my watermelon on the top and then I cover it with the rest of the liquid. And you wanna leave it inside the fridge for at least 1 hour. But if you can do more, even better. So the watermelon been inside the fridge for around 1 hour. And now I can take it out and dry it and bake it inside the oven. So I transfer it on the rack and I'm gonna bake it 180 degrees Celsius around 1 hour. The time really depends on the size of the melon you do, but your goal is to make it nice and soft. This is what you want, nice soft to the touch. And now you have 2 options. You can sear it on the pan or you can do it on the barbecue. And that's the way I like it. So let's do it. So I prepare my charcoal and let's sear it nicely. Make sure your grill is piping hot so you get nice color. I do it on both sides and let's plate it. For my garnish, I want to use spring onion, so I just chop it nicely. I also chop 1 lime in half. And let's cut the watermelon. And now I just season it with fresh lime juice, sesame seeds, and spring onion, and the watermelon tuna is done. And let's test it, guys. You see, nice and soft. And this tastes delicious. I totally recommend you to try it at home. And that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up. And if you'd like to learn more about fine dining cooking, check out the links in the description down below. That's everything for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon.